Assalamualaikum students. In question number 5, first we solve its first part, second and third are as same. It is uses A, B and next B, C as we used to find the first one. We used to prove it. Now we have to prove A plus B plus A, 2 times A and 1 times B is equal to 2 multiplied by A plus B. So we have to solve it. For its left hand side we use A plus B plus A. For the matrices, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Next one, by adding B, for B 1 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. For next one, matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. First we have to solve B plus A. We used to first matrix same, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0. By solving them, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Next, third row, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus minus 1, 0 and 3 plus 0 remains 3. So by solving these two matrices, now we have to find their solution. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Next row, 2 plus 4 6, 3 plus 1 4 and 1 plus 3 also 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, minus 1 plus 0 minus 1 and 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So this is the left hand side, which is equal to A plus B plus A. For its next part, we use here 2A plus B. It is equal to right hand side. For this we use it 2 into value of A is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1 and 1 minus 1, 0 plus value of B is equal to 1 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 2 plus 2, 3, 1 and 3. First we have to multiply 2 in this matrix by multiplying 2 in A. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Next one, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6, 2 1 are 2. Third one, 2 1 are 2, 2 minus 1 are minus 2 and 2 zeros are 0 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 plus 2, 3, 1 and 3. By adding these two matrices, we can find here 2 plus 1, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. For second row, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4 and 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 3, 5, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, 0 plus 3, 3. This is equal to right hand side of the question. By seeing the left hand side and right hand side of the question, its right hand side is equal to left hand side. So proved A plus B plus A is equal to 2A plus B. So we can say that these two values are equal. Left hand side and right hand side of the question are equal.